This video is going to show you guys exactly how to heat treat steel. I'm going to be showing you how to do it with this hunting knife. This little bit of knowledge will help you for the rest of your life. And watch to the end. It's only 4 minutes. If you can't wait 4 minutes, then click off. I'm going to stop my talking and let's get right into the video. What I'm going to show you today is how to heat treat this. What steps you need to take and how to make this piece of steel hard. So what you want to do is make sure your blade is relatively straight. Well, not relatively. You want to make sure it's very straight. Straight as possible. So what you want to do is you want to take your piece of steel and stick it into the forge and start heating it up evenly. I have a double burner forge, and if I was to stick it into the middle of the forge, only the handle would heat up and the very tip of the blade would heat up. Now that you have it heated up to critical temperature and you cannot stick a magnet to it, what you want to do is stick it back into the forge and let it cool down very slowly. That the steel is done massaging itself, I'm going to heat the steel back up. Make sure there's no warps. This thing is pretty straight. It's a little magnetic right there. Almost there. Alright. Side to side, we'll warp it. Up and down, we'll keep it a little bit straighter. Check for warps. A little bit of a warp, take your hammer, straight down on the blade while it's hot. If your file skates across the steel and doesn't leave a scratch, then you completed the most important part of knife making, blacksmithing, swordsmithing, or tool making. Because this is a 5160, what you want to do is temper it at a lower temperature. What I mean by that is usually steel is tempered right around 420 degrees. This one you only want to temper at 390 degrees. And if you're single, throw it in the oven. But if you're not, check with your mom, wife, or girlfriend before they kill you. I want to end the video by saying I'm sorry for not posting videos regularly. I'm sorry to all my subscribers and viewers for not being able to do that. Blacksmithing honestly doesn't make the same amount of money as it used to in medieval times. But at the moment, I am working on mini videos, swords, knives, tools, DIY videos, and a brand new YouTube channel. So stay tuned, you won't regret it. Thank you all for watching.